Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up RingCentral calls to sync into HubSpot CRM, full guide step by step clearly. To set up RingCentral calls to sync into HubSpot CRM, start by logging into your RingCentral account.
Navigate to the admin portal from the main dashboard.
In the admin settings, find the integrations section. Click on View Integrations to access the integration options available. Search for HubSpot in the integration marketplace. Once found, click on the Connect button next to HubSpot. You will be prompted to log into your HubSpot account. Enter your HubSpot credentials and authorize the connection. After authorizing, return to the RingCentral admin portal to finalize the setup. Next, go to the call log settings within RingCentral. Ensure that the option to sync call logs with HubSpot is enabled. You may also need to configure which call types you want to sync, such as inbound, outbound, or both. Save your settings once you are satisfied with the call log preferences. Now, open your HubSpot account to verify the integration. Navigate to the Contacts section in HubSpot. Check if recent RingCentral call logs appear within the contact records. If everything looks correct, you have successfully set up the integration. To enhance functionality, consider exploring additional settings in both RingCentral and HubSpot. Regularly monitor the integration to ensure it continues to operate smoothly. You can adjust settings as needed or refer to the support documents for troubleshooting. With this setup, your RingCentral calls will now sync seamlessly into HubSpot CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.